Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to paint a skateboard deck, and first off we're going to head over to Home Depot. The following three items are essential. You're going to need sanding sheets, 100 grit is good. You're going to need some sort of a finishing spray and sealer, and then you're going to get a protective spray sock or a face mask. Okay, I've been trying to figure out this camera for a minute now. If you saw the last video, I have a new painting corner. Anyway, so what we're going to do, I'm going to use these good old items that I got from Home Depot a while back to begin the skateboard deck painting process. And I have my sanding sheets ready to go. Just gonna lay the deck out, and I'll probably use a knife to remove the stickers, and then I'll get a bit more detailed and intricate with the sanding sheets, sand down the graphics and the varnish on the deck. I don't know what you would call that, to be honest, but yeah. Once that's done, once I kind of blow away all the sand dust, sorry guys, I'm not good with the terminology, I will then paint the entire deck white like a canvas reset. So in the case that your deck has a bunch of stickers, you're going to need a knife to remove all the stickers. In hindsight, I probably should have used glue gun as well to remove the adhesive, but for the time being, this is me taking off all the stickers, and here's the clean deck. Oh my god, my face is scaring me. Deck is out and ready to be sanded. So here is the sanded down deck. If I had to do this over again, I would take off all the dark spots, but I have it laid up on my easel. Here's my acrylic white paint, and I just painted over the deck a blank white even layer. That kind of gives it a nice background to begin any other painting that I want to do on top of it. And here is the skateboard deck. The following day, the paint dried fantastically, and I just laid down a pencil sketch of what I wanted to draw, the iconic Adidas Superstar shoe. Here is the shoe again with a Sharpie outline, and here is a shoe with an acrylic base. I just had fun with this, took my time with it. Sharpies and acrylics are a very good medium to use on skateboard decks, I have so learned. And ta-da! Here's the finished shoe. I was super happy with it. I just went over it with a Sharpie again, and here we go with the finish. Alright, so I'm using this shellac spray. It is the Zinsser brand, Bullseye Shellac Traditional Finish and Sealer. Apparently it dries in minutes. And I'm just going to be applying probably up to 2-3 coats with an hour of drying in between each coat application. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so I just applied the first coat. I'll leave it out to dry for a bit and then hit it after about an hour. Love to get a more shimmery, glossy look. Are there better finishes that I could use? Maybe sanding down techniques or just other materials to paint with. I used acrylic and Sharpie. Are there other materials that I could mess around with, maybe get a different outcome or a cooler outcome? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.